I've been teaching Korean for almost 10 years now, and here are the things that ChatGPT just gets wrong at this moment. So when you look at this answer, number one, when we say hi on the phone, and on the phone only, we say 여보세요. Generally speaking, when you're talking in person, it's gonna be 안녕하세요, right? So this is just out of context. Secondly, 자기야 is casual, and 안녕하세요, you're being polite. So you're mixing up two different speech styles here, and that looks so odd to the Koreans, right? Because imagine like wearing a sweater, a nice sweater for top, and then you're wearing like a really weird PJ at the bottom, and imagine how weird you're gonna look. So without having a firm grasp of the speech styles in Korean, you're gonna sound very awkward. In most of the situation, that's the problem with most of the online translator tools, because they don't have a context right in front of the eyes. So after mastering Hangul, I want you to look at speech styles in Korean, and I've done free posts on Instagram with the real life examples, TV shows you can see and watch, and just get to know at least 3 different speech styles that I review there, okay? And like and follow for more Korean language and culture tips.